Which synonym belongs to pulmonary? The correct answer is lonely. Which synonym belongs to growl? The correct answer is gnarl. Which synonym belongs to ascertain? The correct answer is learn. Which synonym belongs to impious? The correct answer is ungodly. Which synonym belongs to pacifist? The correct answer is dove. Which synonym belongs to rank? The correct answer is smelly. Which synonym belongs to asunder? The correct answer is in twain. Which synonym belongs to therapeutic? The correct answer is therapeutical. Which synonym belongs to severance? The correct answer is severance pay. Which synonym belongs to bargain? The correct answer is engagement. Which synonym belongs to eulogy? The correct answer is panegyric. Which synonym belongs to cornucopia? The correct answer is horn of plenty. Which synonym belongs to elegy? The correct answer is dirge. Which synonym belongs to abstract? The correct answer is separate. Which synonym belongs to casual? The correct answer is random. Which synonym belongs to revile? The correct answer is reproach. Which synonym belongs to annals? The correct answer is history. Which synonym belongs to gloss? The correct answer is sheen. Which synonym belongs to infallible? The correct answer is indefective. Which synonym belongs to nominal? The correct answer is normal.